Hello, Swayla223 here again, and I'm going to show you how to beat the champion on Pokemon Pearl with one Pokemon. As you see, I'm going to use my Mewtwo, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Get off here. I'm going to go on the elevator. I'm going to go there. Hey, cool, you can see me in it. Awesome. Yeah, here I'm going to the champion. I have to go through all the talking. The picture may not be very good because of this camera. Well, there's a red dot on the screen. I don't even get it, but there is. So, here. She sends out her Spiritomb. I send out my Mewtwo. My Mewtwo will be the Pokemon I'm using, as I said earlier. Reset the moves here. Where do I put my stylus? Screw the stylus. You see my Mewtwo used Flamethrower. That should take care of Spiritomb. And it does. And also, this is Pokemon Pearl. Not Diamond. I have Diamond, but I haven't beaten it yet. I'm gonna keep battling Mewtwo. She sends out her Resurade. I'm gonna pick this. My Mewtwo will use Psychic. Wait for it to die. Die already, stupid Roserade. Again, Roserade's dead. She's gonna use her Gastrodon. I'm gonna keep battling my Mewtwo. This is gonna be a tough one. This should take care of it. I'm going to use Ice Beam. I don't know if that'll take care of it or not. Nope, didn't take care of Gastrodon. Although I froze Gastrodon. So now let's take care of it. Let's do the full restore. Well, now I just have to kill Gastrodon. I chose Psychic this time because it might kill Gastrodon if Ice Beam didn't. And that Gastrodon, I'm pretty sure it's a West Gastrodon. Coming from a West Shellos, which are the pink ones. And she's going to send in her Milotic, which I can take care of easily. Just like this. Mewtwo, use Thunderbolt, please. That'll take care of Milotic. Pretty nice Milotic, though. I just gotta kill her Garchomp and whatever Pokemon she has left after that, and then I'm done. I think this video is getting long. And I'm gonna kill it with Ice Beam. I'm using this Thunderbolt, Ice Beam, Flamethrower, and Psychic. Special attack is like 400. That's why. Its attack's only 300. Let's just beat her Lucario. I just have to beat her Lucario. I have no idea how this is her strongest. Her Garchomp is way stronger. And I'm just going to use Flamethrower, since it is Steel type. And I do have a level 100 Lucario, I just don't use it. Well, that finishes off Cynthia. Skip all the writing. I want to show you what the room looks like that you have to go into. I know the picture sucks. It's the best I can do. That's what the registering room looks like. I'm going over there. It's registering my 6. I have my Mewtwo. My Palkia, my Kyogre, what's that? Oh, my Sceptile, Charizard, Dialga, and there's me. My team, and well, game, set, and done. I'm Swalo223, aka Nick Gardner, and signing off.